Welcome back to Chatting with Chief, and today we're going to talk about how to remove this arrow utilizing Fusion 360. Alright, so you see how I'm clicking here? Well, on top of here, you're going to hold the Shift key and click all of the thick parts. Not the edges, but the thicker parts, as you see right here. Now, I'm doing this while holding Shift, and you can let go again and hold Shift again. And as you see, I'm clicking the thicker parts. And from here, I'm panning it around so you can see it. I'm gonna click delete. And as you can see, it's no longer there. Now, this is a file that I got from the digital thread, and it's a part for an LMTV. So I machined it, and if you can see on here, you'll notice there's no arrow. Now on the 3D printed part, there is an arrow. Well, this is just a quick video on how to delete items on your part when looking at it on Fusion. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll catch y'all next time.